The next candlestick tells us that an uptrend will likely end. It's called a shooting star. It looks a bit like one, and it ranks as one of the weaker signals. The shooting star's body is small and situated in the lower third of the candlestick's price range. The upper shadow is long. The shooting star can either be black or white. The star is witness to the fact that the period opened near its low, then price rapidly rose and then fell with price closing near the open. When you see a shooting star, you can make a wish for your heart's desire, but listen up. The shooting star needs confirmation. The ideal shooting star body gaps in relation to the previous candle, but it's not always necessary, especially on Forex, where gaps are rare birds. Here, I'd advise you to look for shooting stars on weekly or monthly charts. Like other reversal signals, the shooting star has more weight on longer time horizons. Once you've found it, look for confirmation on daily or intraday charts. After a weekly shooting star has been formed, you may well notice that a different reversal pattern has turned up on the daily chart for the same period. Pay particular attention to a shooting star after a burst of large and aggressive white candles, that is, at the top of a short-term trend. And, as ever, my recommendation at this point is to take your profit, because the trees can't reach the skies and everything that blossoms will inevitably wither and die. You can see something similar to a shooting star at the bottom of the market, and it's called an inverted hammer. It is the same small body in the lower third of the range, but of course it's a bullish, not a bearish signal. It signals the end of the bear trend it follows. The inverted hammer also needs further confirmation. One confirmation signal is when the price for the next period opens higher than the top of the inverted hammer's body. The bigger the gap, the stronger the confirmation. A long white candle is another confirmation signal. To be extra certain, you can confirm using technical indicators and support and resistance analysis. Although these one-candle reversal signals have different names, they share a number of common features. First off, they have a wide price range, and two, they all have long shadows. Candlesticks like this with a small body and long shadows are called high wave. Japanese analysts say that candlesticks with very long shadows have lost their way. A group of high waves is a strong signal of the trend reversal. Here's what a group can look like. See how the shadows are leaning on the support level. Price cannot punch through it at all and promptly rebounds off it. These so-called lost candlesticks can tell us a thing or two about the way to go.